Haven't even had a look at him yet. Come on, he must be right there. Give me a dead arm. It's gotta be a good fish, come on. I'm getting it up and it's a dirty big shark. I don't know. Maybe a big tuna? Alright, we're back out again. Fishing report's been good this week. There's been plenty of spotties around again, which is nice. So today I think that's going to be my target species, to try and get a spotty in the hatch. So yeah, it's going to be a good day, hopefully. Did an early launch this morning out in the dark, so it's kind of had to wait until we're a little bit more light. It's looking good now, so hopefully be able to get stuck into a few. That's been a long time since I had that go off. We'll try and keep a little bit of tension on him while I get this other line in. And hopefully we got something decent for a change. Oh man, I had a good feeling about today. Wasn't a massive run. Oh no, there he goes again. Take me for a little bit of a ride. Alright, now we can deal with him. Oh, look at that. And a couple of head shakes, a couple of little thumps there. I wonder if this is a Spanish. Oh, that'd be nice. He's out quite a bit ahead of me now. He's on the surface. See that line just creeping along the edge. In for a good old ride. Whoop. Got more thumps. Oh yes. The old slimy does the damage once again. Looked pretty good when I did a bit of a quick swim of it. Taking a good run. Oh, look out, Johnny! He's taking me for a good ride. Yeah. Oh man, this must be a good fish. Man, he's saved me a long way. He's got to be a decent fish, right? Jimmy's on. Come on, what is it? Let's have a look. It's got to be right there. So close. Oh, is he going to take another run, is he? Come on. I think the trick is not to get too excited. Yeah, last time I got one, man, I just put some hurt on him hard and I pulled the hooks out of its face, and luckily it ended up re-hooking it in the tail. Yeah, this guy's just putting up a really good fight.
Don't lose it, Jimmy.
Yeah, I don't want to lose him, man. It seems like a good fish. Maybe. I haven't even had a look at him, but he keeps diving down. He's got some weight to him. Yeah, man, I haven't even got a chance to have a look at him. It just keeps diving down. Man, it must be a good fish. Or it could be a big shark, I don't know. Come on. Oh, I just want to have a look. Yeah. It's taken me a long way. It started right on the edge of the reef on the inside. And now I'm almost out of the wave buoy. I take a bit, he takes a bit. It's starting to feel a little bit tuna-ish. He's just kind of hanging right underneath me. Could be a decent sized one though. That to be, that was a big bloody slimy I had on. Oh shit, yeah. What a fish, mate. Oh, yeah. Holy shit balls. Holy crap, man, that's a big fish. Man, what a fish, mate. That was a good fight. I haven't caught something that decent ever.
Nice one, Jim. Well done.
Yeah, man, it's a slab.
Today, you're gonna get something. Well done, you man.
Cheers, guys. Yeah, had a good feeling about today. Holy shit. Yeah. That is a fish, man. Holy hell, that's a slab. That is heavy too. Far out. Be bloody sharks everywhere soon. Yes. Holy shit balls. That was a pretty good morning actually. It's the first fish that I've caught in probably a good month and a half now, so yeah, and it's a good stonker of the bloody longtail, so the sashimi tonight, that's for sure. So if you like what you're watching, hit the like button, subscribe, and all that kind of good stuff, and I'll see you in the next vid. Catch you.